This video is going to cover the difference between submitting your work on a desktop computer and submitting your work on an iPad. This video will be helpful to both teachers as well as parents and students. First, let's take a look at what submitting your work through a desktop would look like. Teachers have different options when submitting their work for students. They can select online submission, they can select a text entry submission, they can select a paper submission or a URL submission. So let's take a look at each one of these submission types. If teachers select online submission, when the assignment is opened, you'll see a Submit Assignment button. Here, the teacher is requested to fill out a PDF or Word document and turn it in online. By clicking the Submit button, you'll notice that students would be able to select a file to upload to their teacher, maybe a Word document or a PDF. And they could submit another file as well and click Submit. If a text entry is selected by the teacher, then when you click on Submit Assignment, a text box appears and your answer would be typed out into the box, and then you would click Submit. You'll notice that the assignment is up above, which is helpful when students are replying back. So this assignment was to write your words in ABC order so the students can refer back up to the top to type them in. For paper submission, there is no Submit button on a desktop computer. Students would just turn in the paper. For a URL submission, URL is the address of a website. When it's opened up and you go to Submit Assignment, up at the top you have an option of clicking URL website or website URL, and it can be pasted in the box, and then click Submit Assignment. That covers the basic ways that online submissions are handled through a desktop computer. Take a look at the next video to see how submissions are done on an iPad.